Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to the place where we explore the secrets behind the foods that can transform our health. Today, we're diving into the small but mighty world of olives and uncovering the incredible benefits they bring to our diet. Olives are a nutrient powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, these little green and black wonders are more than just a tasty snack. Olives are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. They also contain iron, calcium, and fiber, contributing to overall well-being and digestive health. Olives, especially extra virgin olive oil, are known for their heart-friendly benefits. The monounsaturated fats in olives can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. If you're on a journey to maintain a healthy weight, olives might just become your new best friend. The healthy fats in olives help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. So, consider adding a sprinkle of olives to your salads or using olive oil in your cooking for that extra weight management boost. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting our cells from oxidative stress, and olives are brimming with them. Beyond the health benefits, let's talk about how olives can elevate your culinary experience. From salads to pasta dishes, olives add a burst of flavor and a unique texture. Experiment with different varieties, green, black, Kalamata, and discover how they can transform your meals into culinary masterpieces. Thanks for joining us on this olive-filled journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health insights, and let us know in the comments your favorite way to enjoy olives. Until next time, stay healthy and happy eating.